Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu narrated, Allah's Messenger was asked, "Who are the most honorable of the people?" The Prophet said, "The most honorable of them in Allah's sight are those who keep their duty to Allah and fear Him." They said, "We do not ask you about that." He said, "Then the most honorable of the people is Joseph, Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Prophet, the son of Allah's Khalil, Abraham." They said, "We do not ask you about that." The Prophet said, "Do you ask about the virtues of the ancestry of the Arabs?" They said, "Yes." He said, "Those who were the best amongst you in the pre-Islamic period are the best amongst you in Islam, if they comprehend the Islamic religion." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4689.